am Bill Blake at Vierinks RV Center, and today I have the pleasure to tell you about this all-new 2021 Winnebago. It's a 2831 model, which is a rear bath, so it's 28 foot of interior space, 31 foot overall length. We'll start on the front right here. Couple things to consider here. We locate our spare tire up front where it's very easy to get to. So if you're on the highway, you don't have to worry about getting underneath the trailer like the competitors put their spare tire. It does have an electric front jack, which is easy to hook up. Set up your campsite easier. You'll see the front fiberglass cap, which a lot of them do not add. That will help with the leakage and water and stuff like that not getting inside your camper. Scrolling over here now, you'll see that Winnebago actually drops their frame, which creates more interior or outdoor storage here. It's taller, it's wider, so your bigger lawn chairs and stuff like that are going to be able to get in there. There's no plumbing that's dangling from the floor, so nothing to obstruct your bigger, larger items to get inside there. Scrolling down here now, you'll see that we actually locate our Jensen speakers right down here where you're going to actually sit. They're not located up front where everybody else puts them. So as you're sitting here, you're not going to have to blare your music and stuff like that just to hear it. Just another little added touch by Winnebago, which definitely makes sense. So that's just a little bit about the outside of the Voyage. Let's go on the inside because there's so much about that inside too that I want to tell you about. Hey, as you walk into the Voyage now, you'll see on to the right-hand side, there's a great big huge pantry. It's basically a walk-in pantry, which is super nice for all your storage there. But the main point about this floor plan is the rear bath. It has the largest bath in its class. You'll see Winnebago actually uses glass shower doors, not curtains like the competitors do. What I do get a lot of requests for is a bathroom window. This one actually has that. A lot of competitors do not put windows in their bathrooms, which is nice there. Tons and tons of storage for towels and linens and things like that for you. As we scroll here now, you'll run into the living room. These are actually recliners. They do recline back and forth. You do have wireless cell phone charging right there, located there, so you don't have to worry about burning your plugs. You've got a larger TV, of course, fireplace below that. Now on top, they use what's called a unique air conditioner flow. It's a TrueTrax. It definitely allows for more consistent flowing of the air. So inside your trailer, it's actually going to stay a lot cooler. There's a dual track system, not just a single one dump down like everybody else's uses. Again, just a little touch what Winnebago does. And of course, everybody loves this bigger refrigerator. That's a double door for the freezer and refrigerator compartments. Not a lot of them with a 28 foot has that. Going into the kitchen area now, we've got name brand everything, Suburban, of course, oven right here. Actually the LED lighting that lights up at night as well. Compare microwave sizes. This is actually a convection microwave, not just a microwave, so it actually does bake as well. You got high-rise faucets right here. They're all metal. There's no plastic involved with the Winnebago. Oversized dinette area with storage, and you can actually get to the storage underneath here. You don't have to lift up the cushions like a lot of our competitors are using. And lastly, we'll walk into the bedroom. Of course, you're going to notice a couple things in here. A larger king-size actual bed. You do have a second door for ventilation, but if you didn't want to use that, it does have windows on both sides that actually ventilate as well. And then all the vents with the Winnebago will actually have its own fan involved there. And the storage on both sides of the bed. And then one more right here for the closet. And it is also rounding out, it is also pre-wired for another TV in the second TV in the bedroom area. So guys, again, there is just so much about the Winnebago industry. I love the Winnebagos. I want you to come down and I'll tell you all about them. Ask for a build here at Vierinks RV Center.